Lori here. I'm hanging out in my backyard. Um, wouldn't it be great if you were your own boss and you could do this every day? Just hang out and relax, work a little on the computer in your PJs, and run your own life and make the same money you're making now. That you don't have to trudge through traffic, put up with people micromanaging you, and just relax and have fun in life and follow your dreams. What do you think about that? Well, I found a solution. I started my own business online. It did take a little bit to get it started, but once it took off, then you can earn passive income. You work a little bit. Everything's pretty much automated for me. So, as a digital entrepreneur, I can make money while I'm having fun or sitting in my backyard relaxing. So, if you want to see what this is all about, start your own business, work from home, and then click on the link below and find out. It's really a cool community of people that help you and support you, and you have an enormous amount of tools to help you learn. I did physical therapy for 18 years and was really not, an advanced technology person. So I am learning as I go, and I am earning commissions along the way. So you can earn while you learn and have your own business. There's a lot of benefits to that, especially in the tax season, but also in life, following your dreams and doing what you want to do in life and spending your quality time where you want to. So I strongly urge you to learn more about it. Um, if you choose to do it or not, you can learn, avenues and open your mind to new possibilities. And you don't have to be strapped down to a life that you're unhappy with. So see what it's about. If you like it, that's good. If not, that's good too. But have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha. Bye bye.